Now this figure 19-13 deals with using a 15 or 20 amp overcurrent protection device where the AC unit is 120 volt, 208 volt, or 240 volt uh, type units. In other words, they're 250 volts or less. Now, in the NEC loop, you have your branch circuit selection current rules in 440.4C, the branch circuit selection current over current protection 440.22A, the branch circuit selection current conductors 440.32. And of course, your unit would be accepted by the authority having jurisdiction per 90.4 in accordance with NEC 110.3b as in boy. And of course, if it's cord and plug connected, you want to be sure you enforce the rules of 440.62 of the code. But we're just showing a hardwired unit here, and of course these units are provided with a soft start so they won't trip your protective device based upon the size of the unit and the nameplate rating of the unit and what protective device could be provided ahead of such unit. Now that's what this figure 19-13 is dealing with, is when you're using a 15 or 20 amp overcurrent protection device in accordance with 440.22b2 exception 1 in the NEC to allow a air conditioning unit with a soft start to be connected to a 15 amp or 20 amp overcurrent protection device when the voltage is 120, 208, or 240. In other words, no voltage is greater than 250 volts or less.